What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Yarnaby Sprunki. We'll begin today's lesson by drawing a large circle in the center of the page for the head. So let's start at the very top in the middle. We start with the left side. We go all the way around, round up the head, and just pull that in towards the middle. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the right side. Go all the way around, come down, and then blend that in towards the bottom. Now let's split the circle in half with a straight line, starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom. Now on either side, we draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left at the very top, go all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Now let's line this up on the right side, coming in, around, and then back up. Let's draw two smaller circles, but we're going to push this up towards the outside. So we're going to start from the edge of the eye, come in, leaving a gap along the inside, and then blend that back up towards the top. Let's add two small circles along the top left side. And then I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes, going around that center circle. Now we're going to move down and draw on the bottom edge of the mouth, starting on the left side. Follow the curve of the head, coming down, across, and then up. Let's add two large teeth across the bottom, stepping over towards the left. We go up, and let's back down. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's add a smaller point on the right. Now from here we want to surround the head with the yarn. Let's start in the middle with the left side. Then it's up, and then out. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right side. Now I want to close off the end with a curve. And we'll follow the same curve, coming back in and then down on top of the head. Let's add some yarn in between, starting in the middle, go up and then out, round out the end, and then in the center, go out and then down. Now I'll continue to add these thick strands of yarn going all the way down towards the bottom. Let's start back at the top, going up and then out. And I'm just mirroring this over on the right side. Close off the end and then bend that back in. Let's do that again. We're just going to tuck this one underneath, going out and then down. Round up the end, pull that back in. Now I'm just going to tuck this one along the tip, coming down. We'll do that again. I'm going to start to bring this in towards the bottom. Let's add another one from the tip. And then from here we're going to step in, come down, round up the end, and go up underneath. I'm just going to add a couple more in the center, stepping over. We're going to come down and out, round up the end. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're just going to pull this up towards the head, close off the outside. Now I'm just going to fill these gaps with one more strand of yarn, just in the background. Also along the bottom, in behind. And then we'll draw on the body. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to angle this down and out towards the left, and then the right side coming down towards the same height, and then close off the bottom. Now we're going to go back and add that texture inside the yarn. Let's start with this strand. Come in and then down, leave a large gap and just continue in towards the head. Just work across each strand. And once you finish adding the texture, we'll be sure to sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Yarnaby Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.